Hello, here's the One Team Working COVID-19 update for Wednesday, the 29th of April. So again, we're sharing our stories, staying connected on YouTube, so please do keep sharing it with your friends and family and subscribing. And please remember to film all video footage in landscape. It is really difficult for us to use it on the YouTube channel if it's in portrait. So we really want to make sure we can utilize all of the footage that you send to us. So if you can make sure it's in landscape, that would be great. Some frequently asked questions. It's answers around some of your PPE questions. So a question being, why do we have to now wear full PPE at all times? So on the 12th of April, Public Health England updated their guidance on what PPE was required in which situations to clarify that the UK is currently experiencing sustained community transmission of COVID-19. So the most recent guidance takes this into account alongside the fact that it is realistically possible. It's a realistic possibility that many people infected with the virus will not display symptoms, which of course applies to both individuals we support and support staff, which is why they've changed the guidance that full PPE must be worn at all times. So will individuals we support need masks at any time? It is possible. So it's important that we support the individuals now to process this. A question around, I am not within 2 meters of an individual, what PPE will I need? So you will need a fluent repellent mask to be worn at all times, where it is likely that you will be in the vicinity of individuals we support. In practice, this means that you should be wearing this for the entirety of a shift within a location. So I'm supporting an individual, what PPE will I need? For direct contact, such as supporting with personal care, support staff are required to wear gloves, aprons and mask. Gloves and an apron should be removed after each task and disposed of in the usual way. I support an individual who does not like me wearing PPE, especially a mask. How do we manage this? It's about please following the risk assessment that's in place for each individual, which is accessed through Zone Standard. Question, how do I put on and remove a mask? There is a wiki for this if you search for use of masks, and it shows you how to do that. Are masks reusable, and if so, how do we clean them? You clean them as you would any other hard surface using sanitizer or wizard water. More answers to your PPE questions coming soon, so keep a lookout on your One Team Workings for that. I want to say a big thank you to Crayola, who donated packs of colouring pencils for us, which is really great. They're currently at the Social Care Exchange and they'll be delivered to all the homes shortly. And again, as usual, I just want to finish by saying the absence line is there if you're worried about anything to do with COVID-19 or if you have any COVID-19 queries or questions in general. So please do use it. All right, thanks everyone. See you tomorrow.